Can you really invest with Betterment? Unveiling the deposit details. Ever feel that sinking feeling when you realize your savings account is basically a glorified piggy bank? You know, the kind that earns you next to nothing on your hard-earned cash. Well, if you're looking to grow your money over time, investing might be the answer. But with so many investment options out there, it can be overwhelming. Introducing Betterment. One platform that's been gaining a lot of traction lately is Betterment. They tout robo-advising, automated investing, and a user-friendly approach. Sounds great, right? But before you jump in, there's one crucial question. Can you actually direct deposit your paycheck into Betterment? Let's talk direct deposit. We all know the convenience of setting up a direct deposit. It automates savings and lets you avoid the temptation of that spend-it-now mentality. So, naturally, you'd want that same ease with your investments. Breaking the news. Alright, here's the deal. Betterment itself doesn't actually allow direct deposit at this time. That might surprise some of you, considering their focus on automation. But fear not, there's still a way to leverage direct deposit for your Betterment investments. The workaround: external transfers. Here's the workaround. Since direct deposit isn't an option yet, you can set up recurring transfers from your checking account to your Betterment account. Most banks allow you to schedule these transfers, so you can automate the process to a certain extent. Now, this might not be as seamless as a direct deposit, but it still achieves a similar goal. You can set up a recurring transfer for a specific amount on a specific schedule, ensuring your investment grows steadily over time. Benefits of automating your investments. Speaking of steady growth, there are some real benefits to automating your investments. First, it removes the temptation to time the market, which, let's be honest, is a recipe for disaster for most investors. Second, it enforces a disciplined savings approach. By setting up those automatic transfers, you're putting your future self first, ensuring you reach your financial goals. Exploring Betterment's investment options. Alright, so we know you can't directly deposit into Betterment, but let's explore what they actually offer. Betterment is a robo-advisor, which means they use algorithms to create a personalized investment portfolio based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. They offer a variety of asset allocations, from conservative to aggressive, so you can find a mix that suits your needs. Fees and minimums. Now, before you get too excited, it's important to understand Betterment's fees. They charge an annual management fee, typically around 0.25% of your assets under management. There's also a minimum investment amount, which can vary depending on the account type. Here's the thing, robo-advisors typically have lower fees than traditional financial advisors. But it's always a good idea to compare fees across different platforms before you commit. Security and customer service. Security is obviously a major concern when it comes to investing online. Betterment uses industry-standard security measures to protect your information and your assets. They also offer customer service through various channels, so you can get help whenever you need it. Beyond Betterment, exploring other options. While Betterment is a popular option, it's not the only robo-advisor out there. There are several other platforms that offer similar services, so it's worth comparing features, fees, and investment options before making a decision. Tailoring the investment strategy to your needs. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach to investing. Your investment strategy should be tailored to your individual circumstances, risk tolerance, and financial goals. Don't just jump on the robo-advisor bandwagon because it's trendy. Do your research, understand your options, and make an informed decision.